Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can easily use your YouTube content to create written content from YouTube to Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn, right? So without wasting any time, let's go to the build and I'm going to show you how it worked. So you can just copy and paste and it will work for you, right? Nowadays, like long form content is growing as well and people are posting more and more, so I thought like it will help you out if you are doing something like this. So it all starts with a form submission. So I use the form title as YouTube. So what I need is video title and I mark this as required, right? And also I asked for the video URL because that's the way you are going to do things, all right? And then next step is I'm asking this to give me the video title and URL. So I'm just setting things up here, and then I'll go to an Epify actor. Like if you go to Epify, this is the Epify store. You can easily get your API key and connect with your N8N and do things from there. So all you have to do is come here and then search YouTube, and then you will find any YouTube transcript scraper, like you can use any of those, right? And all you have to do is copy the JSON file, right? So copy the JSON file from here and then you will paste the JSON file here. Because I'm using this one, you can use any because nobody is paying me, right? And then like it will transcript the video here, right? And then I am going to another AI agent, right? And I'm giving the AI agent a quick simple system message, all right, how to work. And I managed with a require a specific output format, right? So that it gives me things in order as I want, right? So what I used here, I used two simple things as always: video title and video transcript, right? And then it will go to this branch, split out. So it will split out all one items from here to 5 different items, because here in the content generator, like I asked to give me 5 content ideas. If your video is longer, you can always create more content. If your video is short, you can just always use regular things, all right? And then I used update node, all right? So it will update my Google Sheet with the video title and the video URL, so that I know it's working and the status is not created because it is still creating. And then like I used like 3 different AI agent for 3 different platform, because each platform works differently. So all you have to do is pick the best and customize them for their own way, right? So let me show you how it worked. Yeah, so I'm using this one for Instagram, and then it will update the Instagram Google Sheet. And then this is the Facebook, and the last one is for LinkedIn. And after that, it will update each of the Google Sheet. So this is the video URL. This is the content. All right. And for Instagram, okay. And yeah, like that's it. Like this is just a quick simple build that I wanted to show you. And if you want to build something like this, you can easily do it. That's you can, it might take 30 minutes to an hour depending how you prompt this, and it will work just fine for you, right? So yeah, that's it. And if you want any kind of AI automation help, you can always reach out to me, and yes, we can talk, and maybe I will be able to help you out with that, right? All right, so that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.